old freak, big 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 old freak. No, she got it. No, she got it. No, she got it. Hot girl, no, she got it.
What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today is gonna be a really exciting video, but first, before we even get into all of that, your girl got her hair done. So yeah, I got these Senegalese twists on Saturday. So yeah, I really like them. I had her leave my edges out, and yeah, they go pretty long. They go till about my hip, so I really like them. Really like them. I've been wearing them just down. So yeah, sis got her hair done. But anyway, let me know in the comments if y'all like my hair. But anyway, judging by the title, y'all already know we about to surprise Bae. So today is baby's birthday, and I am surprising her with a helicopter ride over Atlanta, and then I'm taking her to dinner. So I'm already dressed. I just have on this little top that I got from Ross, my Danny chain. I got my torn jeans, and then I'm gonna throw on some heels. Y'all know how I do, but yeah, I'm super excited. I think she already knows, and if she does know, then yeah. But I booked it and I planned it as a surprise, but she literally knows everything, so she probably knows. But anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along, because who doesn't want to go on a helicopter for their birthday? I mean, who? So anyway, yeah guys, let's go ahead. And I'm so mad I got a pimple. But anyway, we got the music going on in the background because we finna get lit before we go, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the car. Okay guys, so we are in the car. We had to stop and get gas and everything, and right now it's 6:49. We're supposed to be there at 7:30, and it's like 40 minutes away. So hopefully we'll get there right on time. I know when we hit the interstate, baby is gonna fly. She drives really fast, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna make it on time. But y'all, I'm so excited. That's why I'm talking, because she's not in the car. She's out there pumping gas, so we kind of matching. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting some fire photos for the Instagram. So I'm gonna leave my Instagram and hers down below. So make sure y'all following us, because I plan on posting some dope content with the helicopter and everything, and with my new braids. So yeah, see y'all when we get there.
What's up?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Well, I would have landed next to the tug, but I didn't know my blades will hit the tug. I can stand next to it, the blades will overhang, but you can put your purse in the seat up here.
Okay, cool.
It'll always be kind of chattering in the background.
Okay.
Have you all been in a helicopter before?
I have not.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so now we are up in the sky, and when I tell you guys, we were nervous. It was so like scary, but it was just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. We got to see everything. We flew over Atlanta, and we had wine included. So, yeah, these are just some videos from Instagram that I am throwing in. Like I said, this video is just really quick, y'all. So yeah, guys, we are done with the tour. It was so fun. It lasted about 30 minutes. It was like a 30-minute long tour. So now we are about to go out to dinner. I am going to treat her to dinner. But yeah, just look around. We flew with Atlanta helicopters, and yeah, I was just so excited. It was just so cool, and it's fun to mark this off of our bucket list because I mean, why not? So yeah, let's go to dinner. Yeah, that's a really good picture. I like that picture. This is fun. Turn yours around, baby. Okay, guys, to end the vlog out, here are just some photos that our instructor took of us in front of the helicopter. And again, it was so fun. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you already know. Leave a helicopter down below. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Deuces.